All right, y'all, welcome back to today's video. We got something crazy for y'all today. I have decided that I'm hungry, and I have decided that I want a grilled cheese, but I don't want a grilled cheese made in a pan, and I don't want a grilled cheese made in the microwave because they are suddenly broken. But we're just gonna have to go with our next best option, which is, drum roll please, the sink. Yes. I don't know if y'all's sink is the same as mine to where it gets scalding hot, but I think it should do just fine cooking up a grilled cheese. So let's get the ingredients out and get started. All right, here's our ingredients for today. We got some bread, mayonnaise, cheese, some tin foil to put it in, and a plate and knife. And I don't even want to hear it about y'all saying I'm putting mayonnaise on a grilled cheese, because don't knock it till you try it, let me tell you. All right, let's get this thing started. All right, don't mind the blender because it's not part of this project, but now we're gonna start putting the sandwich together and getting it ready to cook. Now we just gotta run the water, heat it up, put it all the way on hot. And wait a minute, and it should be ready here soon. All right, the water's nice and hot. I'm gonna prop the sandwich up with this spoon so that water doesn't get under the tinfoil flap, like so. Ow! It burns! All right, we'll leave it there for a minute or two and then we'll flip it. All right, it's been about a minute, probably a little bit over. I think I'm gonna flip it and let it go another couple minutes on the other side, and then we'll cut this thing open and see what it looks like. Fingers crossed it's melted. All right, I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna put it where the water doesn't go into, yeah, like this. Ow! Okay, sorry, that water's hot. All right, it's probably been about 2 minutes now on this side, so I'm gonna pull it out and cut it open and see what it looks like. All right. It's definitely warm. Let's see what it looks like. Hopefully this thing isn't full of water, but I tried to prop it up. All right, so that went terrible, but we're not giving up yet. The reason it went so bad is because I could not keep the water from going inside the cracks of the foil, like where you roll it up. So I did it again, made the sandwich the same way, bread, mayonnaise, cheese. I only put one slice of cheese on it this time, and I put it in a plastic bag so that it's waterproof, and then I squeezed all the air out of it, so hopefully that'll help the heat transfer into it easier, which, you know, I don't mind eating grilled cheese that's, you know, kind of smashed flat, but It's okay. All right, so take two. We're gonna try this again. I want this grilled cheese to work. I'm hungry. All right, let's try this again. I had to wait a minute to let my hot water heater catch up, but now I got the sandwich. We're putting it in the sink and we'll let it go probably a couple minutes on one side, a couple minutes on the other, and see what happens. It's been a couple minutes on that side. We're gonna flip it over, let it go a couple more on the other side. Ooh, it's pretty warm. All right, I ended up flipping it over one more time. Turn the sink off. Grab our sandwich. Cut it open and see what it looks like. All right, I got our sandwich here. Let's pull it out of the bag and cut it open. Let's see what it looks like. Well, it's not wet, thankfully, like the tin foil. Let's cut it down the middle. See what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. Woo! It's pretty good. I'd say it could definitely be hotter, but I would eat this. It's good. Cheesy. But, I don't know. Maybe next time I'll put it in the dishwasher and we'll see what that's like. Decided I'm not satisfied. We're putting this bad boy in the dishwasher. Round 3, made a brand new sandwich. Mayonnaise, cheese, same as all the others. I put 2 pieces of cheese back on it because you got to have more cheese. And I'm going to stick this in the dishwasher because I want the cheese to be melting out of it, dang it. All right, let's try this again. Round 3 is the charm. You're going in the dishwasher, bud. Good luck in there, little buddy. All right, I've started the dishwasher. The grilled cheese is in there. When I pull it out, I'll show you guys. This thing better be flaming hot. I hope this dishwasher actually works because this is my first time actually using this thing. I usually just wash my dishes in the sink, so looks like it's doing fine so far. I don't see any water pouring out the bottom, but something's going on in there. Oh yeah, you know I got the high temp on, baby. All right, let's check on it. It's been in here a while. Well, there it is. It's pretty warm. Should I move it up to the top rack maybe? No, I'll keep it down here. There we go. All right, I'll keep it going a little bit longer. All right, I actually left this thing in here a while this time, but we're gonna open it up, see what it looks like, and hopefully be able to eat this thing. Well, I'm just gonna open it. Oh, there it is. Ooh, the steam coming out. Oh, it looks warm. Oh, yeah, heck yeah. All right, let's open this thing up and eat it. I'm hungry. All right, I've got the sandwich here, fresh out of the dishwasher, with the cheese melting out of the side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. Can you see it? It looks so good. Let's cut it open. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's try it. Much better. I wasn't giving up on y'all. I was going to make you grilled cheese one way or another. The sink was okay, but I definitely suggest the dishwasher. That's good. Here, I'll break it apart one more time for y'all. That is good. All right, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. There's the grilled cheese behind me. I'm gonna keep eating on it, but I hope you like this video. We'll try out some more cool stuff in the next one, but if you like this one, be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you want to, and we will see you in the next video. So stay tuned.